Brothers and sisters, this is an example of the tents and living conditions of the people of Batasuya. The government expects them to live here for up to 2 years possibly. And this is the kitchen that they currently have, which unfortunately is not adequate to meet the needs of cooking 3 meals a day for up to 200 people. All the families that live here have to share this kitchen. They don't have access to gas or water. The water they fetch from a very long distance from here. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today is the 5th of December. We have arrived at a village called Batasuya, which is in the area of Donggala, around 70 kilometers to 80 kilometers north of Palu city. And there are around 40 families that live here, which roughly equates to around 200 people. Unfortunately, they don't have adequate kitchen facilities, so they requested us to provide some support in order to help them build a community kitchen, one kitchen which would serve the 40 families that live in the tents in these surrounding areas. Alhamdulillah, we have managed to purchase a few items that we have now come here today to deliver. Jazakallah khair for your donations. This is what they have resulted in. Brothers and sisters, through your generous donations we've been able to purchase a large water tank for the people, 4 tents, around 100 pipes, 2 gas cylinders, as well as some dishes that they needed for the kitchen. Jazakallah khair to all of you for your generous donations. This is what they have resulted in. Here is the communal kitchen, which is used by about 35 to 40 families. The women cook here for all the families. We provided them with the hot plates as well as some gas, dishes that they didn't have, and they now have access to water as well, which was very, very crucial for their cooking as well as for their bathing and hygiene. So Jazakallah khair to all of you for your donations. Alhamdulillah, this is what they have resulted in.